They are not the villains of the ocean. They are its doctors, its guardians, and one of the most evolutionarily perfect creatures on this planet. Today, at the Wildlife Lab, we are diving deep into the blue. We are going to debunk the myths, explore their superpowers, and uncover why the human race might not survive without them. Let's address the elephant, or the shark, in the room first. Are they dangerous? Statistically speaking, you are more likely to be killed by a falling coconut, a vending machine, or even a cow than by a shark. In the United States, usually less than one fatal shark attack occurs every 2 years, yet the fear is primal. This is largely due to the Jaws effect, but in reality, sharks do not hunt humans. We are not on their menu. Most attacks are actually cases of mistaken identity. A surfer paddling on a board looks remarkably like a seal, a shark's favorite meal, from below. Once the shark realizes its mistake, it usually leaves. But because of their power, that one mistake can be fatal. When we think of sharks, we usually picture the great white. But did you know there are over 500 distinct species of sharks patrolling our oceans? They range from the gentle giant, the whale shark, which can grow up to 40 feet long and eats only microscopic plankton, to the dwarf lanternshark, which fits in the palm of your human hand. There are sharks that glow in the dark to camouflage themselves in the deep sea. There are wobbegong sharks that look like carpet-covered rocks to ambush prey. And then there is the Greenland shark, the longest living vertebrate on Earth, with some individuals living to be over 400 years old. Imagine that, a shark alive today that could have been swimming when the Pilgrims landed in America. What makes sharks the ultimate survivors? They have survived 5 mass extinctions. They are older than trees. Yes, sharks existed before trees covered the Earth. And it's all down to their biological engineering. First, their skin. It's not made of scales like other fish, but of dermal denticles, essentially tiny teeth. This reduces friction, allowing them to swim silently and efficiently. But their real superpower lies in their sixth sense. See those tiny pores around a shark's snout? They are called the Ampullae of Lorenzini. These organs allow sharks to detect the electromagnetic fields produced by the muscle contractions of other living things. A shark can find prey buried under the sand just by sensing its heartbeat. They literally feel the spark of life. So why should we care if sharks disappear? Sharks are what scientists call a keystone species. They are the doctors of the ocean. Predatory sharks typically target the sick, the slow, and the weak. By doing this, they prevent the spread of disease and ensure that only the strongest fish pass on their genes. This keeps the prey population healthy. Without sharks, the balance collapses. For example, if sharks disappear, the population of mid-level predators, like rays, would explode. These rays would then eat all the scallops and shellfish, collapsing local fisheries and destroying coral reefs. A healthy ocean needs sharks. If the ocean dies, we are in trouble, as it provides over 50% of the oxygen we breathe. We started this video talking about how people fear sharks, but the reality is, sharks have much more reason to fear us. Here is a staggering number. While sharks kill fewer than 10 humans per year globally, humans kill approximately 100 million sharks every single year.
That is over 11,000 sharks killed every hour. Driven by the demand for shark fin soup and accidental bycatch in commercial fishing, many species have seen their populations drop by over 70% in the last 50 years. We are driving an evolutionary masterpiece to extinction for a bowl of soup. The shark is not a monster. It is a masterpiece of nature. It commands respect, not terror. At the Wildlife Lab, we believe that understanding is the first step towards conservation. If you learned something new today, please hit that like button. It helps these stories reach more people. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from the wild. Let's protect our oceans before it's too late. Thanks for watching.